Hey, 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 local lovers! I am Aubrey, and this is the second part of our GAC series. Here, we'll get to meet and have an exclusive chikahan kasama ang mga leaders from different agency and also to know on how they are going to prepare from the upcoming Grand Ad Clash. Eto na nga, narinig ko na this block is pump up na talaga for this 32nd Grand Ad Clash this coming July. Sapat na nga ba ang kanilang mga naging panalo to secure spot at above? Or are they taking their time to master their craft more? Para sagutin ang mga yan, we have here TL Shing from Team Yugto. Hello, TL Shing?
Hello.
Alright, so are you ready for the questions?
Ready.
Okay, let's proceed now for our first question. Using 3 words, describe your team's preparation para sa Grand Ad Clash.
Siguro low-key pero lalaban.
Oh, I see. Bakit? Can you tell me more about it or can you explain the meaning behind these words?
Very low-key lang kami, very chill, very relaxed, pero alam kong may fighting spirit kami, like hindi lang as a section, pero kahit sa aming mga sariling goals, kasi tinanong ko rin yan sa mga kaklase ko if ano yung personal goals nila for GAC. So ayun, lalaban kami and we will, parang pupunta kami GAC with a fight.
Oh, that's good. So, kapag may mga clash po ba between ideas, syempre hindi natin to maiiwasan, di ba? So, as a team leader, paano mo siya hinahandle?
Medyo mahirap siya kasi sa adver, di ba, sobrang daming ideas. Pero maganda rin na sa sobrang dami yung ideas, you are very creative to express kung ano man yung idea na yon. Pero lagi lang po tayo babalik sa brief kung ano ba yung hinihingi ng challenge or ng problem, no? And as well as, binibigyan ko ng freedom yung heads ko. So, nandyan sila as a head for a department for a reason. Kaya may tiwala ko sa kanila na mas ma-handle nila yun ng maayos.
Oh, so with that po, how do you keep the preparation process enjoyable?
As much as possible sa mga meetings, may mga chikahan, may mga icebreaker, or hindi lang puro GAC. Kasi very overwhelming na yung mga ganap eh. So, very important din na kamustahin mo sila. And kahit may mga little na palaro lang. So, one time may meeting kami tapos ang palaro ko is mananalo ng locally mismo. So, kahit hindi pa natatry. So, ayun, para mas maging masaya lang yung vibe.
Ayun. So, alam naman po natin na during this phase, no, importante to keep your members motivated. So, how do you express your appreciation towards their efforts and contributions?
Ako po sa team leader, very vocal ako. Gusto kong na-appreciate yung mga members ko. Hindi lang yung mga members, pero as well as yung mga heads. So kahit sa chat, nagti-thank you ako as much as possible. And kahit sa mga meetings, parang walang lumagpas na meeting na hindi ako nagti-thank you sa mga efforts and sacrifices nila. Kasi sobrang iba, grabe yung hirap for GAC. And makita lang na they're still here, pushing through para makapag-present sa July 5, it means a lot. Kaya ayun, sobrang laking bagay na magpasalamat ka sa kanila even through chat.
Okay, so lastly, do you have any message po ba to your fellow clashers?
To my fellow clashers, good luck po sa inyo. God bless sa preparations nyo. And I hope na galingan nyo kasi gagalingan namin.
All right. And yes, thank you so much for today and good luck sa team nyo. And that's it for today. Once again, this is Aubrey and to all of our seniors, fighting sa inyo. And see you on the next time.